Hello, today we're gonna show you how to make pork banh mi. And here are the ingredients: French baguette or French bread, mayonnaise and hoisin sauce, grilled Vietnamese pork barbecue, liverwurst or liver spread, cilantro, spread the liverwurst or the liver spread on one side of the French bread. And on the other side, apply the mayonnaise and the hoisin sauce combination. Put the cucumber on one side of the sandwich. And put the Vietnamese pork barbecue on the other side. And finally, put the cilantro on the sandwich. There you have it. Here's how you make pork Vietnamese banh mi.